Where's it hurt mainly?
Like back here, up into my neck.
Can you touch your ear to your shoulder?
This side I can, this side it really hurts. Over
Okay.
here.
What about trying to roll your head into it?
And that's where it hurts. Way back.
Yeah.
That really hurts. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Come on. Oh my god.
It's starting to kill somebody.
I felt it. Ooh. Ah. Ooh.
Let go of everything.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Elbow. Good. Yeah.
Lift up. So, yeah, I couldn't do that before.
A lot better than earlier.
I know, it's already